All right, speed run to a perfect Christmas turkey. 2 minutes, all the moves, no fluff. Step 1, thaw and prep. Thaw in the fridge, about 24 hours per 2 kilos. Pat turkey dry, inside and out. Remove giblets. Salt it generously all over and inside the cavity. Leave it uncovered in the fridge overnight if you can. Crisp skin unlocked. Step 2, flavor bomb. Softened butter, minced garlic, chopped rosemary, thyme, lemon zest, black pepper, pinch of paprika, mix. Gently loosen the skin over the breasts and massage that butter under and over the skin. Stuff the cavity. Halved onion, lemon half, head of garlic, herbs, thigh legs, tuck wings. Step 3, heat and rack. Oven to 220 to 425 degrees F. Roasting rack in a sturdy pan. Chopped carrots, chopped onions, chopped celery. Add a cup of chicken stock under the rack, built-in gravy base. Step 4, roast smart. Hit the bird with a little oil, more salt and pepper. Roast 30 minutes at 220 degree, 425 degree to jumpstart the skin. Drop to 175 degree, 350 degree. Tent lightly with foil if browning too fast. About 13 minutes per pound, about 28 minutes per kilo. Start checking early. You're done at 74 degree, 165 degree for both breast and thigh. Step 5, rest in gravy. Lift the turkey to a board, rest 30 minutes, non-negotiable. Pan on medium heat, skim fat. Whisk in a spoon of flour, cook 1 to 2 minutes. Splash of wine, optional. Add stock, scrape the tasty bits, simmer till silky. Season. Step 6, garnish and glow. Bed of parsley, rosemary sprigs, orange slices, a few cranberries for color. Paint the skin with a quick maple butter gloss. Melted butter plus a drizzle of maple. Step 7, carve clean. Remove legs. Separate drum and thigh. Take off hard breasts and slice across the grain. Keep the skin intact. Serve with warm gravy, a sprinkle of flaky salt, and a squeeze of lemon over the slices. That's your Christmas showstopper. Juicy, crispy, and ready to stand the table.